Hi, I'm Rich Bucieri from Pointer Bucieri Accident Recovery Attorneys, and today we're going to be breaking down this interstate accident that ended with multiple vehicles involved in the crash. I'll present the facts and then I'm going to be asking you for your video verdict. On this video, we're watching a dash cam from a vehicle driving westbound on I-10 in Phoenix. It is a clear sunny day and the traffic is moderate but moving fairly well. That all changes, however, when a green Nissan Sentra suddenly veers left and sets off a chain reaction wreck that involves multiple vehicles. Let's go back and review the video one more time and see what led to this. The green Sentra appears at the beginning of the video and is driving a little bit faster than most of the traffic. The green car then goes into the middle lane and quickly closes the gap with the white truck ahead of it. As the green car tails the white truck, you can barely see that a black car cuts in front of the truck. The white truck is forced to check up. In the meantime, a gray SUV speeds by at a high rate of speed. Brake lights, and then the green Sentra locks up his brakes. Another red SUV speeds by to the left. All three vehicles then converge into a violent crash that takes out several other vehicles. Was the green Sentra the sole cause of this crash? Or did the speeding SUVs share the blame by not putting themselves in a position to be able to avoid an accident and thereby taking out other innocent drivers? Not all crashes are the fault of one sole driver. What do you think? Attorneys like me make the arguments, but it is juries consisting of citizens like you that dispense justice. Which driver do you think is at fault for the case, or were all three partially responsible? Leave us your video verdict in the comments below, and make sure you tell us what you considered in your deliberations. Also, if you find this video informative, please make sure you like and subscribe our channel, where we constantly offer fresh and informative content about accident and injury claims. Do you have a video that you would like us to break down in our next video verdict segment? Click our link below and visit our webpage where you can upload your video and other useful information about the accident you may have had. If we use your video in one of our video verdict segments, we'll send you a $50 Amazon gift card. Also, please watch and comment on our other video verdict segments. And remember, if you're hurt in a car, call PBAR. Our contingency fees start at 25%. Compare that to 33 or even 40% from some of our competitors. I'm Attorney Rich Bucieri, and I'll see you next time on Video Verdict.